Hello students, in this video lecture we will discuss how to solve logical equivalence problem by using statement algebra. Okay, so before we solve one problem, we should know what are the importance of logical equivalence. We study logical equivalence to simplify, understand and improve logical expressions in mathematics, programming and designing of digital systems. These are the importance of logical equivalence. Okay, so now we solve one problem. Show that P and Q, then PRQ is a tautology without using truth table. So which means we have to prove the given logical expressions is tautology. Tautology is nothing but it contains only true alone. Okay. So therefore the given logical expression it is equivalent to tautology, which means it is equivalent to true alone. Okay. We solve the given problem. So what solution? What is given? The given logical expression it is equivalent to tautology, which means it is equivalent to t alone. Okay, so now we take left hand side, we want to prove right hand side expressions. Okay, so let us consider left hand side expression p and q, then prq. So here here using equivalent law we write these expressions. So what is equivalent law? P then Q, it is equivalent to negation P R Q. So using equivalent law, we write this expression is negation of P and Q or P R Q. Okay. So now using De Morgan's law for this term. So what is De Morgan's law? Negation of P and Q. It is equivalent to negation P or negation Q. So using De Morgan's law, we write this term is negation P or negation Q or PRQ. So in these expressions, we have four different variables and also same connectives. Okay. So here I am going to use associative law and commutative law. So why do we use associative law? We want to interchanging the bracket. If we want to interchange the bracket using associative law. Okay. So what is associative law? PR, QR, R. It is equivalent to PRQ or R. So just interchanging the bracket. And also we are using commutative law. Commutative law is nothing but PRQ equal to QRP. So using associative and commutative law, we write in this expression is negation P or negation Q R Q R P. P R Q can be written as Q R P. After that, interchanging the bracket, we get negation Q R P. Okay, so here we know one result. What is inverse law? So inverse law is nothing but P or negation P. It is equivalent to T. So using inverse law, I am going to write this term is T. So we get negation P or T or P. We know one more important result, that is nothing but identity law. So what is identity law? P or true. It is equivalent to P. So here negation P or true RP, it is equivalent to what? Negation P RP. Okay, so once again using inverse law, we get the right hand side term is T. Okay, so therefore left hand side equal to right hand side. What is left hand side term? The given expression P and Q, then PRQ. What is right hand side term? We have to prove tautology. Tautology means it contains only T alone. Therefore, the given logical expression is equivalent to tautology. I hope you are enjoying this session. Thank you.